Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm Jess and I'm a medical student. If you are studying nursing, pharmacy, medicine, or any health related course, you are at the right place. On this channel, I'm going to be breaking down complex medical topics into simple and easy to understand lessons that's going to help you in your classes, with your assignment, with your examination, even your practical. So do well to subscribe and turn on the notification button that whenever I drop a video, you are going to see it. So let's get into our lesson for today. So our very first lesson for microbiology today is the introduction to microbiology. So what is microbiology? Microbiology is actually made of three words. We have micro, we have bio, and then we also have logy, right? Logy. Yeah. So let's find out their definition real quick. Macro means small. Then we have bio, which means life. And then we have logia, which means to study. Yeah. So based on this, let's come up with the definition of microbiology. We have macro, which means small. We have bio, which means life, and logia means to study. So microbiology is the scientific study of microorganisms that cannot be seen with the naked eyes. They can only be seen with the help of microscope. So yeah, remember that. We need microscope to be able to see microorganisms. Yeah, you see, we need microscope to be able to see what microorganisms. So that's why microorganism is a science. Microbiology is a science that focuses on the study of microorganisms. So it's very important if you are a medical lab science student, if you are a nursing student or pharmacy student or student of medicine, you have to study microbiology, right? It's very important. So now let's talk about microorganisms. What are microorganisms? Important. Let's get into it real quick. You know the boy is small, so we gotta, you know what I'm saying, right? So microorganisms, organisms. These are smaller organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eyes. You need microscope to be able to see them, right? And microorganisms include bacteria. We have viruses. We also have protozoa, and then we also have algae. These are all microorganisms. They are all microorganisms, right? In the next video, we'll be talking about each one of them in detail, but this is just an introduction to microbiology. So it focuses on the study of microorganisms. And you might be wondering why is it that we are studying microbiology as people. So let's talk about the importance of microbiology as medical students. Importance, right? Importance number one, food safety. It also helps in public health. It is very, very important. So as medical laboratory students, it's important that you know microbiology because you use it in your daily routine in the laboratory. And if you're a medical student too, you also need to know about microbiology. So let's do a quick recap about everything that we learned today. Firstly, introduction to microbiology. What is microbiology? Microbiology is a science or the scientific study of microorganisms that cannot be seen with the naked eyes. They are seen with the help of microscope. And what are microorganisms? Microorganisms are small organisms that cannot be seen with the naked eyes. They are seen with the help of microscope. And then some types of microorganisms include bacteria, fungus, algae, protozoa, etc. and etc. Then now we talk about what the importance of microbiology. We say microbiology is important because it helps us in the production of vaccines and antibiotics. It also helps us to identify disease-causing organisms. It also helps us, in public health. It also helps us to understand prevention and control of infection caused by these microorganisms. And don't forget, There are good microorganisms and there are the bad ones that cause infection to us. So if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button for the next one. In our next lesson, we are going to be discussing about the history of microbiology and those people that changed medicine forever, like for Anton van Leeuwenhoek. We also have Louis Pasteur and etc. We are going to be discussing it, and we'll also be talking about the types of microorganisms in detail. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next lesson. Bye.